You want a GoRuck patch that says, go run tough?
Help him out now. Tommy, do you want to quit?
Do not stop. Do not let go of my strap.
There's nothing that you guys are gonna see that we haven't been dealt ourselves. And we ask ourselves a lot of the times, what the fuck are we doing? Why are we doing this? What's the purpose of it?
So it's Thursday and we're head focused forward and we're getting ready to go to Colorado to go shoot for GoRuck.
There he is. There he is.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Our flight is full tonight, ladies and gentlemen. If you have 2 items in your possession, please take the smaller item and place it underneath the seat in front of you. This is JetBlue Airways Flight 993 with non-stop service to Denver, Colorado.
What are we doing, Mark?
Yo, sending it out. Gonna get the Mavic 2 Pro up and up. Get a sunset. I think it's coming up pretty soon, so.
Sunrise.
Sunset to rise. That's what I meant.
Sunrise.
Okay, sunrise.
Alright guys, so bottom line is with the task order, we got 7 personnel. You know, primary is Ragnar. Alright, we'll call him Ragnar during the event. Alright, not Phil. I'm Ricky, and that's Bo. Okay, we got to come up with some stupid name for Kevin. Alright, then we got 3 film crew, alright? Mike, and Mark, alright? So 3 M's. We're going to scout the 12-mile road march to show you guys it.
Sounds good, man. Sounds good.
Bottom line is once they hit, they'll cross over here, they'll hit this trail, they'll walk up to the ridge line, and they'll walk down this ridge line south.
It's like we're getting JPI.
Yeah.
You can't help but throw your arms out there.
Boom, boom. We can start it right up here at this corner. Up here. We actually start at the part right here. It's a 4 and after.
Ruck. 12 rounds each of 6 times ring pull-ups, 6 times burpee squats.
Yep.
6 times mountain climbers, 4 count mountain climbers, and 6 times ruck get-ups, and then do another 3 rounds. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, if you guys have any medical issues during this, right? Don't even waste time calling 911. You know, just call 911. A lot of people are like, Cadre, what do we do? Well, what the fuck do you think you do, dude? Fucking 911. And then come tell me if it's an emergency. Yeah.
Deploy the drone, deploy the drone.
Online and walk through this valley. And our combat controller, he thought he saw a glint of a light. And they're like, dude, you're just fucking crazy. You haven't slept in 3 days. And he's like, no, man, I fucking saw it. I fucking saw it. And so I'm gonna fucking check it out. And then he like had the aircraft fly over, 20 dudes on motorcycles with like AKs and fucking RPGs. And so as we're walking through, he calls in this massive airstrike on him. Just like thump, thump, thump. And I'm like, oh my god, just fucking waiting to get like killed. I'm just like, somebody's gonna pop right out. Yeah.
Yep.
I have oxygen.
You're gonna need it.
You're gonna need it.
I'm good.